Hello and welcome to my story from Lasting Impressions. In our last tutorial, I showed you how easy it was to insert a photo into your story. Now I want to show you other effects that you can give your text. So let's go back to maybe page layout. And here there are columns. And that is what we're going to do is we are going to do columns. We're going to choose how many we want and we'll just start with 2. And you can see now it's changed all of your pages into 2 columns. If you would like to do 3 columns, you can also do that. So you can see how fun and easy it is just to change your text into columns. Now, if you want to change the spacing between your columns, you can simply use these guides up above and you can tighten that space up a little bit. And now you're also free to move your pictures around your page however you'd like your format. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're having a lot of fun reminiscing and writing your personal story.